So if you're having a Samsung Galaxy S10 series phone, whether it's S10e, S10 or S10 Plus, you will find a lot of problems with it. And the first is that the fingerprint does not work pretty well with the screen protector or tempered glass. So although Samsung has given the screen protector and back cover out of the box, still it is not the complete protection for your Galaxy S10 series. So here I am having something from Panthershieldz which says that it is the complete protection. So let's find out more about this complete protection. So in the box you will find a lot of things. So this is a type C USB cable, and here we are having Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus lens protectors. So this is the back camera protector, and this one is for 60, which I'm gonna in a next video, and this one is for OnePlus 60. So here we are having Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus front and back cover. So let's see how good this gonna be and whether our fingerprint is gonna work it on this protector or not. So this is pretty much the complete protection, and they've also included the USB-C cable, which is pretty great. So as I've shown you in my unboxing video, the cable provided by the Samsung is not pretty great. We are having a very good cable, and this is a bulletproof cable. Wow, that sounds pretty great. So this is made up of bulletproof armored fibers. When we talk about the thickness, this is pretty thick, so it can handle high current without any doubt. Wow, here it is. And when we talk about the build quality of this USB cable, it's pretty great. You are getting this USB cable free when you're purchasing any product from the Panthershieldz, and the length is around 1 meter. I think this cable will last pretty longer and even longer than your phone if you do not lose it. And let's see our flexi glass protection. All the accessories which you require for your phone is included in this pack. So this is the back cover, this is the front cover, and these are the alcohol pads to clean your phone before applying these covers. So you can find that the installation process is given in the back. So I'm gonna do the pretty same. So let's follow this guide and let's begin our installation process. So first thing first, you need to remove the back cover and also the pre-applied screen protector from your phone. Now let's talk about the ultrasonic fingerprint. It's pretty great. You just need to put your thumb there and it is pretty much unlocked. Wow. So this is an isopropyl alcohol which will clean your phone thoroughly. Clean your screen with the help of microfiber cloth provided in the box, making sure that you have done it correctly and you have cleaned all the edges perfectly so that your screen protector can fit perfectly. Now you need to put your screen protector onto the phone. Let me show you, and ensure that there is no bubble or dust particles are there before placing it on the phone. If there, just remove it with the help of microfiber cloth. Now you need to align everything and then you can place it perfectly. And once you've done it correctly, just remove the bubbles by using this remover tool. So the ones which are left now will be removed within 24 hours once you start using your phone. And boom, here it is. Ultrasonic fingerprint works flawlessly without any doubt, and the scanning time is pretty same. So need not worry about the bubbles which are there. It would be removed soon after using your phone. So now it's time to install the back cover. Clean it thoroughly through the edges as we have done in the front case. Now don't forget to clean it by using the microfiber cloth so there will be no particle left on your phone. The process remains same. You need to peel out the red one. So it is done, but it looks like a little bit of messy because of this bubbles. Just try to place it there and try to remove all these bubbles. Squeeze them out of your phone. So now the installation is done. It's not the perfect, but yeah, I've tried my best. And it's time to install this lens protector. So I'm gonna use the hot gun, and I will be back in a moment and I will show you after removing the bubbles. So here's the screen protector or flexiglass, and it looks flawless. So I've installed even the back flexiglass and it looks pretty good. Also you can find that the camera protector is invisible, which is pretty great. So this is a complete protection for your Galaxy S10 Plus and it looks pretty great.